Wow! Oh my God! Ang gaganda ng aking bake na banana and peanut cookies or peanut bread. So, banana and peanut bread. Wow, look at that. And it's so yummy, guys. I tried it already. I eat 3 already. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. This time, it's only 9:51 in the morning. 9 o'clock. 9 minutes before 10 o'clock. So what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna make a banana and peanut bread. So of course the ingredients, the main ingredients are peanuts, and I have 5 pieces of banana. I blender it, and then of course after I blender the banana, so it's easy for me because I don't have the mixing machine. So I use this one, self-rising flour, and also I add hemp seeds. So this is hemp seeds, guys. 1/2 cup of hemp seed and 3 cups of flour, and I use a bland all Lakers light butter, just one. This is pack, small, that is like that. So one of them I melted it, and of course the peanut butter, 1 cup of peanut butter. If you want more peanut butter, it's optional. You can put 2 cup of peanut butter, and of course because I have a lot of sunflower seeds, I add 1 cup of sunflower seed, and I add this one, yes, active dry yeast for bread, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and I use coconut palm sugar organic, and also olive oil. So I use olive oil and a little bit butter to make the banana and peanut bread soft. So butter and olive oil is gonna make it soft. So it's hard to, magmasa. It's hard to mix well all the ingredients manually. I don't have the machine, so that's why I'm doing it manually. It says it's more delicious when you do it manually, not by the machine. Because when you do it manually, you put all your effort in your lab. That's my secret ingredients to all the food I cook. I put love on it. That's why it's always delicious or more delicious than others. So it smells peanut butter and banana, because I use peanut butter because this one is soft already. And I use you can use water or coconut milk. So I use coconut milk. So it's optional, it's your choice if you want coconut milk or you want milk. So I didn't put milk. I use coconut milk on it. So I think 1 cup coconut milk. So let's try first if it tastes okay before I'm gonna sit aside. It's really good now. So it's not so sweet. I estimated, you can just estimate how much sugar you're gonna add. So I always use organic sugar. So let's set aside this one. After 15 minutes, it's supposed to be like 30 minutes to sit aside, but because we want to eat, so let's make a balls like a small bread. So isang subo lang, guys. So para pagulungin natin siya dyan para ma-form talaga siya. So this one, we're gonna try this in a salad master. So it's very soft because the peanut butter I add. But the important is na gagawa niyo siyang bilog. So you make it a balls like that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use Salad Master. This is a Salad Master tray also for pizza or for, I really wanna try. I'm excited. This is the first time, guys, I make banana and peanut bread. Of course, I'm gonna use this also. I'm gonna put something here. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, and also this one, I'm gonna put it in the oven. So smells so good. I can smell the peanut butter on it. Again, guys, the ingredients are 5 bananas because our bananas is almost gone bad. It's color black, so I don't want to waste it. So that's why I'm making this. 5 bananas and 1 cup of peanut butter. You can make it 2 cups of peanut butter if you are fan of peanut butter. Self-rising flour or you can use all-purpose flour. And hemp seeds. If you don't have hemp seeds, you don't have to use hemp seeds. And sunflower seeds. 1 cup sunflower seeds and peanut butter. And I think 1/4 a cup of butter. Not even 1/4 chunk, and virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna add some nuts to it because I want some nuts. So I have sliced almonds here. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna put this on the top as a decoration. But if you don't have any nuts, it's okay, guys. You don't have to add any nuts. So let's put this in the oven. And I'm gonna continue making balls because I'm gonna use a salad master cooker, guys. So I'm gonna use this salad. I'm heating up this already. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. I just wanna make small balls because it's gonna grow up or it's gonna be big when it's cooked. Matrabaho, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it, guys. If you want to eat delicious food and a little bit healthy, because bread is not very healthy. Even we put some nuts. Yes, peanut is protein. The nuts, hemp seeds is good for the heart and for the brain, and also the olive oil good for the heart.
But the olive oil you shouldn't cook in a high heat. Always medium heat or medium low or very low heat. My hands is always clean, guys. I wash it. We are the only people gonna eat this. That's why I'm using my bare hands. But for commercial, for if you're gonna sell it to others, you should use gloves when you're making bowls. But since this is for our home use, personal use, as a food, so bare hands is fine. I'm excited to the taste. This is the first time, so that's why I'm excited to try my banana and peanut bread with sunflower seeds and hemp seeds. It's not perfect, the balls, but it's okay. It's just for the home use. But if you want perfect balls, you have to make it round, or maybe you can use. So it's heat up already, guys, the SALADMASTER cookware. So let's start. Let's try if it's ready to tap. So to make sure that it's heat up already, yeah. So when the water is running, when you when you sprinkle the water when it's running, it means it's hot enough to do the baking. So let's put this. You have to put some space because we don't want them to be together when it's. There you go. So SALADMASTER, 12 inches, electric oil skillet or EOC. So let's bake it for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna program it for 20 minutes, guys. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Or maybe I will make it 30 minutes to make sure. So 30 minutes. It's gonna automatically off after 30 minutes. So let's continue our work here. In our masyado nabubuo kasi super lambot, but it's fine. So my tray, I put olive oil so it doesn't stick, because this one I'm gonna put in the oven. So this one, SALADMASTER, we don't need to put oil on it as long as you heat up the cookware. Hindi siya kumakapit kasi may olive oil. That's the good thing. If you don't want it to stick in your hand, put olive oil. Or any cooking oil if you don't have olive oil, because in the Philippines we don't have olive oil that cheap. It's very expensive, the olive oil in the Philippines. So any cooking oil you can add, but don't put too much, guys. Too much oil in the food, it's not good. It's gonna harm your. I usually don't use oil when I'm cooking, but now because I'm making this, so once in a while it's fine. But if you're gonna eat every day, it's not good for your health, because when you cook the oil, especially on high heat, especially olive oil, it's gonna be toxic. So don't ever cook the olive oil in a high heat. Always medium heat to low heat. If you don't want to eat toxic food. All deep fried are toxic, guys. So you're poisoning yourself if you keep eating all fried food. How I change my diet? I don't fry. Even fried chicken, I don't use oil. I do fried chicken, frozen chicken, but I cook in my SALADMASTER cookware. That's why it's become healthy. And before I have 2 clog veins in my heart. When I change my diet now, I become healthy. So let's put this in the oven because the oven is ready. It's in 350 degrees Fahrenheit already, and this one also is SALADMASTER. Let's see how many bread we can make. It's done making the balls here, so let's put this on the oven. Doesn't fit, so put this on the bottom. So look at that, guys. The first one, this one. See, you see, it looks so good. And also this one here. So the EOC SALADMASTER skillet is turned off automatically, the timer and the heat. So let's check it out. Charan! Oh wow! Looks like cookies. You know what I did, guys? Why it's become looks like this, flattened? Because
I fresh set when I flip. So I flip it, guys. So look, so it's not burned, guys. It's just the, see? And time to try. Time to try. It looks like cookies. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, it tastes like cookies, guys. And it's so soft. It's not burned, guys. It's just the, because of the, you know, the olive oil. So it's become roasted. It's so good. And it's very soft. It's like a soup cookies. But I'm not sure on the oven, so I haven't checked it out. This is good for coffee. Look at that. It's so good. And it's very soft. So let's check that. Wow. Look at that. So in the oven is different. So it's become looks like really cookie. See guys, let's see. So this one, and the bottom is I put it. So wow, look at that. So it's still very soft. Let's cook more and let's see this one if it's cooked already. Yeah, so this one is cooked already. So the banana bread, the bottom is not yet because that's the last one. So let's try this one and let's see. I'm gonna close it again because the, you know, the bottom is not yet cooked because I put that last. This one is from the oven, guys. So let's try this one. Oh my god, it's so yummy. So both from cooking in the oven and SALADMASTER cookware, this one is the same. So at the same time it's cooked. See? So this one is from the oven and this is the SALADMASTER way of cooking. I flatten it, the SALADMASTER, but this one I didn't flatten and it looks good. Looks like cookies, guys, the bread. And it's so good. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat a lot of this. So you can see the sunflower seeds in it, but you cannot see the hemp seeds. I put 1 cup of hemp seeds and 1 cup of sunflower seeds. 3 cups of enriched self-rising flour and 1 cup of organic sugar. And for the one that I bake here, I add almond on top, but the rest no, I didn't add anything. So you can taste the taste of a little bit of brown sugar or the organic coconut palm sugar and the salt, and I really like it. It's combined the taste. So only 1 teaspoon salt, guys. It's so yummy, guys. You have to try this recipe because I have a lot of, you know, a lot of things here in the cabinet. It's been a long time didn't use, especially the flour. So I'm thinking different food to eat. So that's why I think of this. You know, this recipe I only make it myself today, August 20, 2025. And it turns out it's so good and delicious.
Masisira ang diet ko nito, guys. So, sarap. Banana and peanut cookies or bread. So, banana and peanut bread cookies. Kasi para siyang cookies. It's turned out like a cookies. Pang third time na to, guys. Masarap to sa kapit. Yan, nagagawa ko ng kapit. Sarap. Let's try it, guys. Sorry, couldn't taste it. It's so good. For sure, the person who live with me gonna enjoy this and gonna eat it a lot. Sira ang diet ko nito. It's gonna ruin my diet.
Yan na, ang gaganda na ng aking baked banana and peanut bread cookies.